Good morning, welcome. In this video, I explain how to be fluent in English spending 10 minutes a day. You are going to spend only 10 minutes a day and we become fluent in English. What's a simple technique? We'll see. Take a notebook, take a pen, write down some topics on which you would like to make a speech. You are going to talk on that topic. Write down a few, like my school or office or family or a restaurant or a travel. Write some topics and choose one among these ones. If you like to talk about my school, your school, fine. Remember, we are going to talk only for 1 minute. 1 minute we are going to make a speech. School is the topic we have chosen, fine. Write down in the notebook 10 keywords related to school. Write 10 to 15 keywords, no problem. 10 to 15 keywords related to school. Your favorite teacher, your class teacher, the subjects you learned, your PT teacher, the game you loved the most, your favorite, your best friend, the school functions you attended, school day, sports day, independence day or republic day, parent teachers meet, the examinations you wrote and how much marks you got, what was your score, everything, anything. Okay, write 10 to 15 keywords and keep the notebook open. Start talking. Start speaking in English. Don't stop in the middle. Don't stop in the middle. Okay, keep talking for 1 minute. You have already written the keywords. Remember the keywords and start talking. We are going to talk only for 1 minute. You can use your stop clock also. At the end of that 1 minute, do a second trial. This is trial number 1 we have just made, and do a second trial. Do the same thing. Start talking and keep talking for 1 minute. After this second trial, go for the third trial. The third trial, you are not supposed to see the notebook. You are not supposed to see the keywords. Sure, I assure you, there will be improvement in the second trial and more improvement in the third one. Sure, you trust me. You try this one and let me know. Okay, this is how you must practice one topic every day, just for 1 minute. Hardly it takes 10 minutes. Till you finish your third trial, it takes only 10 minutes. But don't skip in the middle. Keep trying. At the end of 1 month or 45 days, trust me, you will be more fluent in English than what you are now. Understand? If I am to talk about my father, for example, if I am to talk about my father, I have written a few keywords. Now let me talk. My childhood days with my father were so memorable. I loved my father so much. We were 2 children in my family, myself and my sister. She is elder to me, and my father was a great motivation to both of us. He made me learn Hindi even in 1970s. Hindi, I learned Hindi. I finished my typewriting lower level when I was doing my 10th standard. It was only with the guidance of my father I could finish these many educational achievements. And he taught us, my father taught us how to play chess. He made me and my sister play chess every day. That was very creative idea. That was a creative idea that helped me a lot in strategic approaches I make now. It was very useful. And my father was so kind, very compassionate to animals. At times he used to get angry. But on the whole, I loved my father so much. He was a big motivation, great inspiration to me and to my sister too. And when he became old, he was not interested in money at all. He was like a saint. Always he used to pray to God. And I used to participate in elocution competitions only with the help of my father. He used to give me, write down the speech, what I should deliver on the stage. I used to participate in many competitions, elocution competitions especially, only with the guidance of my father. Understand? This is how you must make a speech. Sometimes you might struggle in the middle. No issues at all. But keep practicing like this. You will win. We will win. Okay? So, this is the simplest technique. Simplest ever technique you can adopt to be fluent in English. Thank you.